Give a big round of applause to welcome the students, participants, and heartily welcome our Secretary Madam Soumya Pradeep Madam of Gurukula Charitable Trust and Pradeep sir and the Treasurer of Gurukula Charitable Trust Sri D.G. Somappa sir and our Principal sir and all the teaching and non-teaching staffs and all the students. Sit. And our three teachers, and for this the success and for this history, and I heartily congratulate our P teachers and our principal and all the staff members and all our participants, mainly the support from our management.